In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up your site's navigation menus in Hubspot. Navigation menus help visitors move through your site quickly and consistently. When your menu is set up correctly, it makes your pages easier to find and it improves the overall experience on both desktop and mobile. In Hubspot, menus are managed from a central area, so you can update links in one place without editing every page individually. To get started, look to the top right of your Hubspot account and click Settings. This opens the main settings area where Hubspot keeps the tools for managing your website content. Next, in the left sidebar, find and click Content. Under Content, click Navigation Menus. This takes you to the menu management screen, where you can create a new menu or update an existing one that is already connected to your site. From here, choose one of two paths. If you are creating a brand new menu, click Add Menu. If you already have a menu that you want to edit, select that existing menu from the list instead. It is a good idea to name your menu clearly so it is easy to recognize later, especially if you manage multiple menus for different parts of your site. Now you are ready to add links. Click plus Add Menu Item. You will be prompted to enter a label. The label is the text your visitors will see in the navigation, so keep it short, clear, and consistent with your page titles. For example, use simple wording like About or Services rather than long phrases. After you enter the label, set where that menu item should go. You can select a page if the destination is a Hubspot page, which helps reduce mistakes and keeps links updated if the page URL ever changes. If you need to link somewhere else, enter the full URL instead. Take a moment to confirm the destination is correct, because a small typo in a URL can send visitors to the wrong place. When you are finished adding your menu item, go to the top right and click Publish. Publishing saves your changes and makes your updated navigation menu live, so your site displays the new links. That covers everything you need to know.